Hello everyone, this is Preetham Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So this is our third video of ADF real-time scenario series. So in this video we'll try to learn how to copy the last index data, means last 2 days 3 days data incrementally from ADLS Gen2, okay, using ADF. Okay, so incrementally basically we are telling, because if today we are running in the pipeline, today is the pipeline scheduled for triggering, scheduled trigger is executed the pipeline, so it will copy the last 2 days data, means last day or day before last day, that day's data. If when the pipeline will run tomorrow, that tomorrow if the pipeline will run, it will consider the today's data and last day's data, like that. Okay, so how to do that kind of data processing we'll see in ADF, okay, today. So before that I want to introduce my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So if you guys are new in data engineering, you can go through our PySpark database playlist, ADF, the area playlist, multiple interview scenarios, multiple real-time scenarios from our channel. Okay, so this is our channel. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and follow our videos. This will be very much helpful for clearing your interview. Okay, so let's go. So this is in this source directory demo container, there is a source directory. Okay, so here what I kept, here we have multiple files. Okay, so if project has given me the problem that we need to fetch last 3 days data or last 7 days data, whatever you consider, I'm doing here last 3 days data. Okay, or I'm just considering last 7 days data. Pipeline will run and it will fetch last 7 days data. Okay, so how the thing will work? Okay, so you can see we have the file 28 uh, then 28 August, then 8 September, then 8 September. Okay, so whatever file within that 7 day, uh, within last 7 days it is modified, that all the files will be considered in this case. Okay, so if it is a new file, that will also be considered. If it is a modified file, that will also be considered based on the modified date and time. So how we will do that, let's see. So first we will create one pipeline. So here we will, for if we will consider the last 7 days data, then we need to consider these two file only. Okay, because within last 7 days we will get these two file, not this one. Okay, so it is more than 7 days. Okay, you can see. So if I am implementing the thing. Okay, so if I'll create the pipeline here, so I'll go to my pipeline 1. So this pipeline was my previous projects pipeline, previous video. If you have not seen, you can see our part 2 video of our ADF real-time scenario playlist. So where I have explained only the last modified file how to fetch, that thing I have explained. But this time it is something different. We'll consider the last 7 days file, whatever file it is, one file, it is two file, it is three files, how many files are there, all the files will be fetched. Okay, so that mechanism we will create. So what I'll do, I'll create one new pipeline here first. Okay, pipeline 2. Okay, so I'm just removing it. Now I'll take copy activity. So taken the source I will consider first. So I'm creating one new dataset, ADLS Gen2, delimited text. So ds source. Okay, then link service I'm considering, and path I'm giving sync, sorry, not sync, source file, where source file I'll get the all these source file. Okay, so now, okay, so I'm creating the dataset. So dataset has been created. First we'll consider in source file how there are lots of file in real time scenario. You will get lots of file. Whatever it is in CSV format, we'll fetch only that format, only that format file. So that thing, how we will implement, for implementing that thing only, first we'll use wild wildcard file path. Okay, so in demo, then our source file, whatever it is, my files are there, it is in source directory, it is in source directory. And here what I will give, so uh, my file should be, my file should be, so I'm not dynamic. Okay, my whatever it is the file, my file would be in CSV format, so that I'm considering it. Okay, done. So now what I need to do, I need to fetch last 7 days data. Okay, whatever it is in last 7 days, and the file should be in CSV format. So CSV format wala thing I have considered here. Now I need to fetch the last 7 days. Okay, so I'll use this start time and end time. Okay, so filtered by last modified. Okay, so this last modified using the modified column, it will, the files will get filtered. Okay, so for that I can, today it is 8 September, for last 7 days data I can consider it like this also, but it would be hard coded. It it will not do incrementally. For next, next means tomorrow's data, it will not fetch the last 7 days. Okay, so it will still consider the second September's data, but for tomorrow's data, it should be considered from 3rd September data. That would not happen. So that's why we need to do it. How we need to do it? We need to do it dynamically. Okay, so for that purpose, what we'll do, so we'll we'll do like this. So there is a function, one minute, add dynamic content. There is a function, we'll choose that, that is add days. Okay, that is basically in function system, sorry, where it is, this I need to search, well, this is very, I'm doing it from here. Okay, searching and all is time consuming. Okay, so add days. Okay, I'll take, which one, I'll take string, and this would how many day we need to consider. This would be from here. Okay, add days. So first argument it would be, we have we need to get today's time. Okay, so for that UTC, there is a component UTC now. Okay, so it will give you the today's date and time. Okay, so UTC now, and how many days you need to go back, so it is 7. So last 7 days data you need to consider, so you can do it like this. So your start time would be last 7 days from UTC now, whenever the pipeline would get triggered, from that time to last 7 days data. Its start time would be that, and the end time would be only UTC now. Okay, UTC now. Okay, so this would be your start and end time. Okay, so it's done. Now the sync dataset, you just need to create the dataset for sync path. Azure Data Lake Gen2, then this ds sync folder. Okay, so link service would be this, and this sync file. There is no file exist, so the import schema none. So this would be like this. Okay, whatever file you will get from there, it will directly copy to the sync path. Okay, now our system is ready. Let's see running this. Anything else we need to consider? No, there is nothing to check. Okay, so saying sync path, it is given. All the things has been given. Okay, let's debug it. Let's complete the process. Yeah, it is completed. So you can see output file and input. So type blob data storage, it has taken wildcard dot csv. Whatever parameter you have selected there, it has taken that, and based on that it has successfully copied. Okay, so let's now go back to our path, sync path. Let's see this to Australia and India employees file, it is there or not. Yeah, this is here. So 8 September it has copied the data on 245 is 247, just 2 minutes ago it has copied the data file. Okay, so this way only you can copy your data based on your given date and time. Okay, incrementally. So if you want the last 3 days data, that also you can do. Just change it to 7 to 3. You need to give, instead of 7 you need to give 3. If you want last 1 day's data, that also you can give. If you want to give last few minutes data, that thing also you can do. There you need to consider not add day, it is add hours. There is hours, minute, this thing also you can use there. Okay, so few minutes equals data, few hours equals data, 2 hours equals data. So add hours minus 2, this, using this you can do this. So try it by yourself in your home. Okay, so that the things will get accustomed with your hands-on. Okay, so with your mind also it is set that in this case you can consider this kind of activity. In this kind of scenario we can consider those copy activities, and we can select these parameters also like that. So this thing, it will be get set it in your mind whenever you will do the practice. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can directly connect with me via topmate or LinkedIn. You don't need to pay any single penny to connect with me via topmate. Okay, so it's all free. And you can follow our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel for getting daily updates, and participating daily basis quiz also. You can follow our channels. Okay, And if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and share our channel with the broader audience, so that we can connect uh, all the aspire data engineers, and who want to learn. We can connect with them. Okay, we can help them. Okay, and also I am also learning from you guys. If you have any other approaches, if you guys have any other kind of thought process, you can also comment on the video comment section. Okay, so that we can also improve ourselves. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye.